si Pinoy Extreme, ayoko talaga siya. I wasn't not clear about that. I've always been clear about not liking him as a person.
Boy, tandaan mo parate, issue, hindi tao.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
I've said this before and I will say it again. I have so much respect for people like Caillou.
Respect kang pucha, blinak mo nga. Tapos sasabihin mo, respeto. Uy, wag kami boy, wala kang mabibilog dito.
Even for Josh On Point and Sadao.
Boy, sinabihan mo mababa IQ tapos takot makipagdebate. Ngayon, respeto? Damage control time na! Sabi ko sa'yo, I'm inevitable. Magigising at magigising yung mga tao, hindi dahil kaya mo silang bilugin, pero dahil nakakarinig sila ng ibang argumento that makes more sense than kung ano yung sinasabi mo.
And Ato and Moose, because they have a platform before they created content about me.
Paanong platform ba gusto mo? Ano, kailangan may 100,000 viewers or followers muna before makapag-comment doon sa maling sinasabi or maling tinuturo mo? Ha!
May mga platform yung mga yan, tinayo nila yung sarili nilang platform. That's why I respect them for that. Pero yung isa, no way, dude. I don't even hide it. I don't like that person.
I don't freaking care. You don't need to like me for me to be able to comment on the wrong things na pinagsasabi mo when it comes to the issues na nilalabas mo sa public.
Bakit ako magkikipagplastikan sa'yo? Diba? Di ako ganun. Di ako magkikipagplastikan in the name of civility. Caillou seems like the tito or the uncle that you can go out and have a drink with. Si Moods, parang tropa mong kasama sa inuman, di ba? Yung mga maraming sasabihin, oh, magkakagasgasan kayo, pero still, magtropa kayo.
Pinupuri mo na lahat! Woo! I'm freaking excited for tomorrow. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.